કાયમની ઇચ્છાઓ રાખીને આપણે we move in our career. This is one kind of people who are looking for rewards for what they've done, for their biodata. બરાબર છે, biodata ની અંદર લખ્યું એ પ્રમાણે they want reward. There are other kind of people, there are other types of people who are looking to learn new things, who are looking to participate in more challenging jobs, who are looking for take a role which is never taken by other people. These people are called contributive people. આપણો જે કાર્યક્રમ જે છે એ કાર્યક્રમ is about how to make students contributive. Now you are being students whenever they go for their jobs, they can excel in their jobs if they are contributive in nature. પહેલા મોડ્યુલની અંદર આપણે what are the traits of contributors એ આપણે જોયેલું. We had seen some examples of teachers, government officials, seniors, sweeper even. આ બધાના ઉદાહરણો આપણે જોયેલા અને ત્યાર પછી આપણે નક્કી કરેલું કે how one person can become a contributor. The second module starts from here. Friends, in all walks of life, there are people approaching their goals in lives, right? There are two typical types of personalities prevailing amongst people. The two types of personalities are two basic questions about their personality, basically. It deals with the answers to these questions are basically defining their characteristics of how that person would act in his future. The first question which describes a person is, who am I? Who કોણ છું? The second question which is asked is, what do I do? હું શું કરું છું? The question which answers the question, what do I do, describes a functional part of a person. જે માણસની ફંક્શનલ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ છે કે માણસનો હોદ્દો શું છે, એનો અભ્યાસ શું છે, કેટલા વર્ષનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે, એનો બેંક બેલેન્સ શું છે, એની સ્કિલ શું છે. These all questions are answering to the question as what do I do. The other question which I just mentioned was, who am I? Who am I defines the inner traits of a person, qualities, values, their ambitions, their nature, their goodwill. These are all some of the traits which answers the question, who am I? The objective of this session is to identify those who am I answers from you guys and convert it and supersede it with the answers which we get in what do I do. So if you find a person who can convert who am I being attitude, હું પોતે શું છું એને જો એ હું શું કરું છું એ પ્રશ્નની અંદર જો ઢાળી શકે, then they can become more successful. And this module is all about introducing that concepts in your minds. Each one of us has got two aspects of our personality. Two questions which I just now mentioned are, who am I? And the outer sphere which shows to you is, what do I do? Right? The answer to the question, what do I do, as I say, it reflects to your functional attribute or functional aspect of your personality. Suppose I am an engineer. You would say I am an engineer. Somebody would say I am a CEO of an organization. Somebody would say I am a professor in an engineering college. These are all functional aspects. These functional aspects will identify you as a person with a set of skills, set of attributes. અભ્યાસ શું છે તમારો પગાર કેટલો છે, તમે કેટલું ભણ્યા છો. So it identifies you as a functional part of it. Next. Whereas the answer to the question, who am I, it shows your personality, your inner personality, I would say. Inner personality of you could be, I believe in excellence. Tamari potani values. I am an honest person. I believe in excellence. I like helping people. I am a very helping person. I am a fun-loving person. These are all your being attributes. While your education, your background, your bank balance, your salaries, your skills, everything is your functional attribute. This is what is your inner attribute, which we will call being attributes. Being attributes. And this is answered by the question, who am I? Next please. Now, since we have introduced the concept, what is a functional attribute and what is a being attribute of your personality, we have come to a stage where we will do a little exercise. We will do a little exercise when the exercise sheets are being circulated to you. We will be answering these two questions by means of an exercise. What you are going to do is you are going to write about your functional attributes and your being attributes. Being level attributes ની અંદર શું આવશે? તમારી personality, એવી personality કે જેમાં તમારી અંદરની બાબતો, તમારી honesty, તમારી integrity, તમારું nature, તમારી મદદ કરવાની ભાવના. This will be a part, this will show your attributes in being. While the functional level attributes will speak about your qualifications. Like I am a second year student of engineering. I am a gold medalist in second semester. I am a captain of my cricket team. These are all your functional level attributes. And in this exercise what you will do is you will identify these two characteristics and narrate it in two different sheets. One is your functional attribute, another one is your being attribute.
The last time I looked lesson.
And your functional level attributes are given on the second page.
See, if you say that I am extrovert, so it is a being level attribute, right? You say I am a student, so it is your functional attribute, right? What is your job? Student. You are doing. That is what your functional.
In your worksheets, it is given on page number 2 and 3. Page number 2 describes your being level attribute, while page number 3 describes about your functional level attribute. The functional level speaks about what you do, what is your qualification, what is your job, what is your skill, what is your bank balance, what are your possessions, etc. While the being aspect talks about your inner personality. It talks about how are you as a person.
You can say I am very kind to the human being. So it is being level attribute. It is being level attribute. See, there may be many teachers, but one teacher may be very special to you because he is very kind to you. So to be teacher, they are same functional attributes, but their being level attribute may be different. Right. So being level attribute means your inner strength, what is there inside you, right? How you are different from others. So your being level attribute. So go on writing. You can say I am innovative. I am innovative. Innovative is the sense your being level attribute.
So the idea is to differentiate between these two. Functional level attribute person. I am a kind-hearted person. I am a fun-loving person. I am very helping. Because the person. I am an honest person. I am an obedient student. I am